Welcome children. Today we will execute the program of Fibonacci series. Okay. Logic I already told you. Today we will execute the program. So first of all you click on new class and write the class name. I am writing here Fibo is the class name. Okay. Then save it. Click on OK. Then open this folder. Here is the sample program is given. So what you have to do? Firstly, Ctrl+A to select the program, sample program, and delete it. Okay. Now you have to write your program, your logic. Okay. So Fibonacci series, first of all we start with class. Class name is Fibo. Then block of the class. After this we write the main method, that is public static void main. Okay, and within braces string argument. Then block of the method. After this, here we need the limit. How many terms you want to print of a Fibonacci series. So here I am taking variable int type, int L. L is equals to, I am given 10. Okay, 10 terms. I want to print Fibonacci series 10 terms. Then I am taking other variable which is also int type. So I am separating by comma. A is equals to 0, comma, B is equals to 1 and comma C. Okay, these are the variable, or you can assign the 0 value in C because C is used to store the result. After this we need the printing statement, because first of all we want to print what is the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is just like that. Fibonacci series is 0, 1, 1, then 2, then 3, 3 to 5, 5, 5 and 3 is 8, 8 and 5 is 13, like that. Okay, it's a Fibonacci series. So we need to print 0 and 1 as it is. So in A variable we store the 0 and B variable we store the 1. So here system.out dot print. I am not using ln because we have to print in a same line. So here system.out print. Then what you have to print? A value, A, then plus sign, take space, one, two space. Okay, then plus sign B. Clear? After this close the parenthesis and semicolon. So according to this printing statement we have to get the our first and second term, that is 0 and 1. After this, after printing A and B value, now we need the loop. You can select any loop. I am selecting for loop. Okay, you can perform do while loop as well as while loop. So see here, we want to print 10 terms of Fibonacci series. In 10 terms, first term A we already printed here and second term B we already printed here. So our for loop will be started with third position. Okay, 0 and 1 means one position and second position we already printed by A and B. Now we have to execute our loop from third position. Clear? Third position we want to print, we start our loop. So here I am starting for loop int I is equals to 3. I value started with 3 because 1 and 2 value already printed here. If you are started with 1, so if you want to print 10 terms, it will show 12 terms. Clear? So I am starting loop here. Third started with 3. Then I less than equals to L. Then I plus plus. Okay, it's a for loop. After for loop, we need the sum of the previous number. A means here 0 plus 1. Third term is 1. So we have to sum of A and B. A and B will give the value C. Okay, so here we write C is equals to A plus B. Clear? After this, we need to print the value of C. Okay. So here, copy this term SOPLN system.out.println and paste here and print the, here I am using SOP not LN, okay, in same line, but in same line with space. Here A and B, with in between A and B we take 2 spaces. So before the print the C value, we also take here 2 space. How we take? Inverted comma on and off, and in between commas 1 2 space is here. Then plus, because we want to join the statement, so plus sign and C. Clear? After this, semicolon. Then now we need the swap the value. Why we need swapping? We already discussed about that. A is equals to B and B is equals to C. Okay. After this, close the loop, close the method and close the class. This is the program of Fibonacci series. Now compile your program. Compile your program. There is no syntax error at the last. Okay. No syntax error. Then click on close button. After clicking on close button, here is your program. So right click on this program, select void main and click on OK. Okay. So see, it's a Fibonacci series. Count, it's a 10 terms. Okay. It's a total 10 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 terms. Or if you start your loop with 1, starting loop with 1, so it will print it 12 terms. Okay.